Welcome to Iki TV. Today is strong magnitude 5.5 earthquake was recorded in Philippines. The quake hits Philippines Sunday, 3rd April 2022, 6 p.m. local time and 10 kilometers shallow depth. German Research Center for Geosciences is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.5. US Geological Survey also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more updates.